All right, guys. So here we are. We're going to build the fan section. So if I go back to mine and shut off the pieces, we're going to build this fan section of the thing today. So the fan is sitting up above, our servo sits in here, and then this fan sits on top of the servo. And then our housing that we just built goes over top of all of that. The one quick thing, I think what I'm going to try and doing today is I just had it built like this so that it's stuck to the top of the servo, and I was just going to tape it on there. But I think I'm going to, with you guys today, I'll probably try and build a little holder that kind of press fits over top of that little white arm that's on the top of our servo. Let's go back over here. I'm going to get underneath my model, and then I want to create a sketch. And this sketch I want to put onto the bottom of this the shroud. So I'll click there. And then a lot of what we're going to do today. Oh, and then I'm going to hit P on my keyboard for project. So project is a way for us to show other lines in the same sketch. And I want to project this bar line. I could, if we zoom out and look at the side here. So this is that little ridge that we built. And I could make my fan go all the way to the edge. But if we're out a little bit when we put it on, I don't want it smacking into the side of this. So I'm actually going to project to the far side of this little line. And then I'm going to hit OK. So now you can see how in this sketch that we put on this face, I now have that little line that I can also do stuff with. So I'm going to do a center point circle. And I'm going to drag that out. And I'm going to drag that out to that projected line. How come it's projected weird? There we go. Yep, that projected line. So that's my first circle. And then I'm going to do another circle. So my cursor still has the circle thing connected to it. So I can hit the middle and come out again. This time I'm only going to come out to right there. Okay. And then now I want to draw all of these lines that we had here again. Actually, that's a lie. What I'm going to do is go up to this offset. And what I want is to offset those lines in. So see that? So remember on this one, the one that I have here, if we go look at the top, when the little fan thing below twists, there will be more of this edge keeping it closed so that less air is leaking through. And that's what I want to do here. So that's why we offset the sketch. And because we went back over to here, it offset automatically for us. But we could go into here and it did 0.39. I'm going to go 1/32. 0.31. That's what we're going to do. And now I'll hit finish sketch. Okay, now we have to extrude the stuff we want. So I'm going to extrude this. I want that. Oops. I hit escape because it was doing things I didn't like. So let's hit it. And we can shut this body off so we can actually see what we're doing. And then we're going to click on all of these fan blades. Oops. And I forgot I wanted to close off that. Okay, so if I need to edit my sketch, I'll go back into edit sketch. And I want all of this stuff to be attached. So I need another center point circle. I'm going to drag this one out. It doesn't really matter where. I'm going to drag it to there just for fun. Okay, now if we hit E for extrude, I'm going to shut this body off so we can see what we're doing. Click on all of this. Whoops, I don't want that. I want, come on. There. I wanted that. That's all this. And then on this outside perimeter, I want that and that. Okay, so new body, yep. We need to pick a distance. I think, if I remember right, I made this 1/8 inch. I'm not quite sure why it instantly disappeared on that. Oh, it did. Okay, so if we go back up to the top and I shut this off, there's our fan shroud. Okay, if I go back and look at mine, I think I must have, I made mine a little thicker. And it has more holes. What is going on here? Hold up, guys. Nope, that's gonna work. Let's shut this off and go. Maybe we'll go back and make this just a tiny little bit thicker. So I'm gonna edit the sketch again. I'm gonna do another center point circle. This time I'm just gonna drag it out. Actually, let's not do a center. So I hit escape, so it's gone. We'll offset this circle. We're gonna go negative 1/8. That's too much. Negative 1/32. That doesn't seem 1/16. That looks good. Negative 1/16. We'll hit OK. Finish sketch. Then we're going to edit this extrude. So I'm going to go up to here, edit. And we're going to add all of these pieces here. The in-between pieces. So click through. Hit OK. There, that's looking better. Except we have this weird split. What is going on? Edit. Oh, okay, fine. Wants us to go in and click all of these little individual pieces. That's fine. What are we doing? Oops, hit the wrong one. There we go. There. Okay. Now. There. What? Oh my goodness. Edit feature again. We don't want that one. Okay. Now, why did it go? What is going on? Edit feature. I'm just going to click on something else and then bring it back. Why does it keep doing that? Okay, well, that seems like a glitch in the computer. I do not know why I can't get rid of that. Okay, fine. Then we'll trick it. We're going to hit extrude one more time. We'll go to the bottom side. Hit that. And then I want to tell it not distance. I want to tell it to object. And I'm going to go to the top of this. And I'll hit OK. And it's set to cut, which is what I want. And I'll hit OK. So there we go. That works. Not what I wanted to do. We'll shut that sketch off. That looks fine. Let's turn this shroud back on just to see what we got. Not bad. we're gonna, like I said, I'm gonna do one more little sketch um, on the bottom side of this fan. Nah, we're just gonna stick it on there. We're gonna leave it just like that. So that's the fan part. Uh, Next day we will do the holder for the servo. We'll call it good.